Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today where I'll be testing a Breckwell analog pellet stove controller. This is a controller that I had for sale on eBay and Michael purchased it just yesterday, so I want to thank you, Michael, for doing that. I appreciate it. What we'll do here is we'll go through the final test procedure on it before shipping it off, just to confirm to everybody that it's functional. So I have it connected to my tester, and my tester has 3 lights of interest that will simulate different things on your own pellet stove. One of them is a combustion fan, one of them is the auger motor, and one of them is a convection or room fan. I also have an igniter simulator for other tests that I do on different controllers, so it will not come into play here. So we'll see the 3 with the colored markers come to play on this test. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, and when I do that I expect the combustion fan to come on and the convection or room fan. The couple things that I can do now, because I'm in manual mode, so my green light at the top is not on, so I can do a manual feed, which is the momentary switch. And we see that pressing that in a momentary fashion causes the auger motor to receive voltage. So that means the auger motor would spin and drive pellets into the fire pot. The other thing I can do is I can switch it to high fan, which will make the convection fan go to maximum drive, or the light here go to maximum intensity. So there it is, as you see, that happens. And that is not a momentary switch, that is on. So the other thing with it off, I can go through the low, B, C, D, E max positions on the controller. So B, C, D, E, and max. So as we do that, as we rotate through positions, we see the intensity of the convection room fan go up and down. Now I will note that D, E, and max have no effect on, have the same effect on the room fan. So they don't make it go faster or slower. That is hardwired in the controller and cannot be changed, but that is correct. D, E, and max are all the same, but C, B, and low are different. So those are the manual settings that we can check. So let's go into automatic mode. To go into automatic mode, we need to press the auger button, and that will cause the green light at the top here to come on. And there you see that. With the green light on in automatic mode, once it comes on, it starts a timer, which is pretty close to 30 seconds. And that timer will determine when the first instance of the auger drive will happen. So just above the word pellet here, there's a little viewport on the faceplate, and behind it is an LED that will come on when the controller tries to drive. And as we saw right there, the light came on behind the faceplate, and the light that simulates the auger motor also came on. So that meant the controller is driving current to the auger motor, and the auger motor would drive pellets into the fire pit. There it is again. So we have approximately 20 to 25 seconds off time and 2 to 3 seconds on time. To change that, we can go to higher positions all the way to max, and as we do that, we see the intensity of the convection fan come on, and we'll see that the duty cycle of the auger motor will change as well. So it's on for a slightly longer period of time, as we see there, and the duration of the off time will be less, so it'll come on more often. So I anticipate it'll come on sooner here. We won't have to wait the 20 full seconds for that to happen. There it is. So our duty cycle is a little higher. We're on for a longer period of time and off for a shorter period of time. So from all we've done here, it shows that this controller is fully functional. It's ready to be installed into a pellet stove. It's in fairly good condition. It has some minor scratches around the switch bezels there, but that's pretty standard for what we see. But otherwise, it's fully functional. There's the circuit board looks good on it. I've checked everything out, and I'm satisfied that this is a fully functional unit that will serve you very well. So Michael, I want to thank you for buying my eBay auction. I appreciate that very much. For all you other viewers out there, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own, whether it's like this one, a different version of this one, or even a different brand and model, and you're having difficulties with it or you need it serviced, check out my other YouTube videos. At the bottom, just below this video, you'll find my contact information. So if you have questions, you can leave comments in this video or any of my others, or you can contact me through my contact page on YouTube here. So everybody, I thank you for watching through this. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. And also subscribe to my channel. That would be great. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.